Hey everyone, this week we're touring another van build by Outside Van. Now this is a very cool van build because it actually has a pop-top sleeping platform on top of the Sprinter. Also make sure you're subscribed for the best van life tours and van build ideas. Alright, let's take a look. The platform is a 2020 graphite Mercedes Sprinter with four-wheel drive and a 170-inch wheelbase. This van was custom built for an avid adventurer who wanted to get close to the trails, but also be able to host friends and family at the same time. This is the first time that a pop top has been included into Outside Van's builds, as well as a gear glider for bikes and a slide-out wine storage. The interior looks like it's designed to make travel comfortable for additional passengers, and the seats can also be removed to make tons of additional space. The kitchen design is a single counter with a deep sink, flush mount induction cooktop, a 4.6 cubic foot refrigerator, and additional drawer space. There's also a fold-up meal prep area with extra inverted power. The bed has a swing-down panel that can convert the main seats into a bench to make it more of a dinette seating area. Below are multiple slide-out storage drawers. It also looks like the owner likes their wine and has a custom wine drawer with a serving table. When the bed is in sleeping position, the bench back latches up to extend the bed space. It looks like it's easily modular and is the best of both worlds between convertible and fixed. The walls and ceiling are wrapped in sill leather, which they chose for the ease of cleaning, sound dampening, and insulation properties. Above the bed is open storage cabinets, and above the kitchen is food storage made with squeak-free marine material. If you notice, the depth changes in the cabinets are intentional for the access to the upper section of the van. The really cool part of this build is the pop-top sleeping platform for additional guests. It's actually a great idea if your budget fits it because it's such a drastic increase to living space. Now, we'd be really interested to know if you guys would ever put a pop-top on your build. Make sure to comment below and let us know.
This week's video is sponsored by Skillshare. We know the real reason that you come to our channel is to learn more about van life and hopefully do it for yourself. That's why we wanted to share with you this Skillshare course called Intro to Van Life by Deanna Dunn. In this course, Deanna does a great job at breaking down everything you need to know about van life, and it doesn't stop there. Skillshare has thousands of inspiring and creative classes for people like you who want to learn more. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. And don't worry, it's ad-free so you can stay in the zone while you're learning. Happy learning, and let's get back to the video.
For access, there's a telescopic ladder that secures to the top of the sleeping space. The pop-top has 3 mesh windows and also features lighting and charging capabilities. It looks like it's easy to close and is hidden away by a zip panel. Additional features is the max air vent above the bed, as well as hydronic heating and there is a touchpad climate controller above the kitchen. This van is meant to provide a base camp to host adventurers and stay off the grid. The garage of this build is the gear closet. Its main feature is the gear glider, which allows you to easily pull out your bikes for easy access and can also act like a workbench. It features many usable components for securing and storing, and even has a drain plug to keep things tidy and easy. Also in the garage are boxes built over the wheel wells for battery and water storage. It looks like they're covered in a protective material and have tracks to help secure more gear in the space. The left box holds a 20-gallon or 75-liter water tank, tank sensor, exterior shower, and water heater. The whole tank is also filtered for fresh drinking water. There's an attachable outlet to add a hose for the rear shower. The passenger side box holds the power system and inverter. This van has 600 amp hours of battery and 2,000 watts inverter. There are two ways to keep the batteries charged up. There is a secondary alternator attached to the engine for runtime power. And on the roof, there are two 45-watt solar panels. I know most people think this is probably an underwhelming solar setup, but remember, this is most likely a weekend warrior build. Additional solar panels can also be connected for extra charging. The garage doors hold mesh storage solutions, and the outside of the rear door has an exterior ladder which can hold more equipment. This van, like all outside van builds, has a JL audio speaker setup with a 12-inch subwoofer. Another cool van build idea is that this van has a floor mat system that is meant to insulate, be comfortable to stand on, and repel water. The outside is kitted out just like all of their builds and includes an upgraded suspension and lift to handle long drives on flat lake beds and also rugged trails. The exterior lighting system on this van is also nuts, with under chassis rock lights, side mounted lights, ditch lights, fog lights, and rear lights, all controlled by an S-Pod screen. Alright, that's it for this week's van tour, but make sure you're subscribed for the best van life content. And if you haven't checked out this video yet, make sure you do, because there's some great washroom ideas for your van build. Until next time, safe travels.